Clap.
Clapping.
Okay, sample take the
Focus.
Take one. Short one intro.
Shut us and
Action.
time 3:30 బాబు. Please bear the little over enthusiastic face in this episode.
Slept all the way up to 7:30.
It's Jan 3rd.
So it's January 1, 2024. I'm starting a new habit to document everything that I'm doing in my life. And I want to be more clear on how I speak, and I want to be more friendlier with my camera. Thinking my camera as my travel buddy, the person who always stays with me without judgment.
See, the world is getting better now. Feel the change is coming on my way.
I'm a compliant boy.
Keeping hope as higher as I can.
Remembered I had a very beautiful dream. It was so beautiful, but not so elegant, not just like a wow, but it was so beautiful. I was filled with happiness, warmth. I wanted the dream to continue even after waking up.
Moving on, embracing destiny. Carry on, despite all my past, into tomorrow's bright and shiny days.
I have set up this GoPro to capture my journey, to have a time lapse. This is my first time mounting it. We'll see how it goes.
I'm going ahead, not turning back. I'm moving on, not turning back. Up to the moon, there is no turning back.
Good progress in the morning.
Time is 4:22 a.m. Jan 15th. We are deciding to record another podcast on my midnight memories and stuff. And this guy,
Carry on, despite where I was, to a future that I'd never known. I'll sing a song of victory ahead. Oh, I'm gonna dance to glories that I've made. Lying back, seeing through my time, imagining how life used to be.
I love you, Teja. యచ్చచ్చ నీకెందుకురా దూల, నీ పనేదో నువ్వు చూసుకొని పోవచ్చు కదా, అవసరమా ఇంత తలనొప్పి?
I'm going ahead, not turning back. I'm moving on, not turning back. Up to the moon, there is no turning back.
ఎందుకంటే మనకు లాగ్ అలవాట్లేదు, మనకు కష్టం అని అర్థమైపోయింది. ఏం మాట్లాడతాం, ఏదో ఫస్ట్లో ఒక వారం 10 రోజులు ఏదో ముక్కి ముల్లి ఏదో మాట్లాడి ఏదో ట్రై చేసిన. మళ్ళీ లాస్ట్ వీకెండ్ డ్యూరింగ్ ఫిల్మింగ్ ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ టాకింగ్. ఐ హ్యావ్ టు డాక్యుమెంట్ స్టఫ్, ఐ హ్యావ్ టు note down what I am doing, record what I am doing, but I am very bad in taking selfie videos or vlogs. Yeah, that's it. I don't want to talk more, I don't want to bore you, I don't want to bore myself when I am editing. I'll have to chop, cut, do the fine print and stuff. So we'll meet after the edit. Hey, Babu, leave.